full screen your Roblox application in Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can play your Roblox application in full screen. So despite you launching the Roblox application, if it is not perfectly acquiring all of the space within the screen, or it is basically not getting the full screen within your device, then what you can do is simply use this easy trick. So this trick involves that you go to your system settings first, and within your system settings you need to go to display and brightness, and within that simply scroll down and you will see this option that says full screen for apps. So simply click onto this, and then from here you can choose this customize apps option, and under the customize apps option simply select Roblox from here. Now once you will do this, it will say three options. The first one is an auto adaptive, a show front camera, or the hide front camera when app in full screen. So you can choose this option, and now once the setting has been successfully applied, you can simply play your Roblox again and hopefully it will appear in full screen. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.